What is going on, guys? It's your boy Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We're back again with a fresh new do. Check it out. Anyway, what we're doing this time around is I've got a Toyota Corolla, I think. Is it a Corolla? Yeah, it's a Corolla. A 2019-20 kind of thing. Toyota Corolla, one of the new ones. And we're going to go ahead and do a service. Okay, an interim service, a mini service. Follow me, I'll show you what it is. If you look at the Toyota service plan, service kits A, B and C. The one we're doing is the first one. We're doing the service kit A, so basically the air filter, oil filter, engine oil, the cabin filter, things like that, you know. We're just going to do the service kit A. You can do the B if you want. It comes with the hybrid filter, and the C is the full shebang, the full service. Right, so we're doing the service kit A. Let's go. Okay, you can put the car in service mode, which if you want, you can do. I don't do it. I turn the car off totally so it doesn't start up again. Keys, throw them away. No, don't throw them away. Just put them away so the car doesn't start up and the key not detected. Then we go ahead and do the service. Let's go. Right, since it's here, we might as well just do the air filter there, and then lifts up like that. Air filter lives in there. Let's replace it. Let's go. Okay, after that, what we'll do is we'll take the tough. You can get a pair of pliers and they'll come off nice and easy. Right, try to take the oil cap off, send the car up on the ramp. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. Get some axle stands on it, jack the front end up, get some blocks on the back, chucks on the back, and make sure the car doesn't roll back or fall on you, because that's going to mess your day up big time. So we're going to send it up on the ramp, drain the oil. Let's go. Okay, once the car is up on the ramp, or if you're doing it on the floor, once you've jacked it up, you have to take this little cover off here. Don't need to take the full cover off. We just need to take this one off. So 10 mils. One there. One there. One there. One there. Take them off. That panel should come off. And we're good to go. Okay, so there's the oil filter. There's the oil. Can't really get it wrong. So we've got a 14 mil socket, well, spanner, socket, whatever you've got. Go ahead and take that off. So I'm going to put the camera down for 2 seconds because I need to get the oil pan next to it, or else it's going to go all over the show. So give me 2 seconds, I'll get back at you guys. Okay guys, so as you can see there, the washer is there, it's stuck on there. We'll just get a little flat screwdriver, give it a little you know, give it a little pry. That should come straight off. If you don't want to, you don't have to replace the washer, because that washer looks good. Replace the washer. If you haven't replaced it, just say about 2 services, okay? Just say if you replace it this time round, next service you don't have to replace the washer. Replace it the next service after that. You can do that if you want to, but for the sake of a couple of quid, okay, couple of pounds, okay, just replace it. Just replace it. Go ahead and replace it. Oil filters there. We'll get to that in a second. Let's just take that washer off, and we've got the new one already here. I told you, every time I start a video off, ambulance, right, fire engine, sorry, that was the fire engine. Get that washer on, let's go. Right guys, so the sump plug and the washer, everything's back on. I've seen people on internet torque it up and everything. You don't have to. I'll be straight honest with you. I've been doing it for the past nearly 30 years and I've never torqued a sump plug up in my life. Right, so just tighten it up best you can, and that's it. So next thing you know, we'll get some oil filter pliers. I've already cracked it, so it'll make it easy for me to show you guys, and just basically take this one off. Let's go. Okay, see, back in the day I used to say put some oil or grease on the seal, but it comes pre-greased now. Okay, from Toyota. If you buy it from Toyota, this is a Toyota. That's the oil filter. Okay, it's a Denso one, to be honest with you. So Denso, part number. There you go. Right, and it comes pre-greased. As you can see, the seal has got a bit of grease on there, so you can just bang it straight on. Don't need to mess about. And what you have to do at this stage is you have to make some sound effects, okay, and put it on, right? So then it looks like you've tightened it up, like this. That's it, done. I'm only messing about, just hand tighten it up best you can. If you want to get some sandpaper or some gloves, and you can get a better grip. And that's it. Right, okay guys, everything underneath is done. We put the sun plug back on, the oil filter back on, the cover back on. Let's get some oil in there. It takes about 4 litres, this car. I'm pretty sure it does take about 4 litres. But we're going to check it on the dipstick, which is there anyway. So let's get some oil in. Okay guys, so we put all the oil in and everything, about 4 litres, I would say about 4 litres. Checked it on the dipstick, it's just slightly above the maximum, so we're going to start it up and hopefully it should be alright. Okay, so let's just check it on the dipstick. So you can't even see it because the oil is so clean, but it is about 3/4 of the way up. Okay, you can't even see it. The oil is so clean. Anyway, yeah. Okay guys, so everything under the bonnet is done. As for the cabin filter, dead easy. Obviously you have to get all this stuff out of the glove box or else it's going to fall on the floor. So take that little damper off on the side here. Okay, and this one here, just push it to this side and try and do this with one hand. I'm going to drop everything. I know I'm going to drop everything. Yep, get both hands on it. Like I said, I didn't do too bad actually. Did all right. Anyway, the cabin filter lives in there. Okay, so you have to get the light on there so you guys can see better. All you do is on this side, just crimp it there, lift up, boom, there we go, comes off. As you can see, up, it says up, you can't really get it wrong. There's the old cabin filter. Let's get the new one on. As you can see, it says up there, it says up on the filter, so I mean, you can't really get it wrong. Anyway, put that in there like that. Get your, slide it in there first, into the cutouts, and then just push it. That's it. Get the glove box back on. Job done. Okay guys, so that's it. All done and dusted. The Toyota Corolla 2020 plate, just say Toyota Corolla hybrid. Interim service, the oil service done. I told you when I start a video off, something happens. This time an aeroplane's flying over me, and I don't know if you guys can hear me. Last time the fire engine went. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.